And we're back here at the stock recap show. It is 23 January 2023, and I'm super excited to get into it today. But first, important disclaimer, these videos are all for educational purposes only. Trade at your own risk. 9 out of 10 traders lose money. 1 in 3 traders lose 90% or more. There's no guarantee you're going to make money with this strategy or any other strategy. Don't risk money you can't afford to lose. Results are not typical. We got a high fly ball, and it is out of here. VERB was up 69.65% today, and GNS was the second notable mover, up 45.37%, and PLRX was up 34% as well. We're going to bring up these charts right here. So here's VERB. It's trading under $1, so that's not really a great sign off the bat, but it did trade 142 million shares today, so very liquid company right here. I'm interested to see where this is going tomorrow. GNS, this was a wild mover the last few days. It really opened up here, came off the 60-cent level, and now it's at 5 basically, so good move there in the last week. PLRX, this was a big gapper this morning. Had some what looked like pretty decent news, and then they dropped an offering after hours. So I didn't look into the after hours numbers yet, but it is on watch, and I'm thinking that the range is probably like 30 to 35 right now. If it can break 35, then maybe it takes a run at 40. I don't know. We'll see. Sumo is the first about to break out stock. It could go and it's off the wall. Sumo up 28.68%, DGHI up 27%, and Wayfair up 26%. Okay, DGHI, it's just crossing over this 200 period moving average, but the moving average is kind of going down for now. It's only got 13 employees. This looks pretty risky. It's out of Canada. Okay. So Wayfair is a little bit of a different story. They have, some sales here, 12 billion. So I guess, it's Wayfair. So they traded 27 million shares today out of a possible 106 million shares, and it's up 37% on the week. So it's, this doesn't look all that great. None of these about to break out stocks. Sumo probably looks the best of the about to break out stocks. Traded 10 million shares out of 119 million. And it's a nice kicker pattern today. Up a nice breakout on good volume. Okay. So now let's get into the scary stocks. Okay. CPRX. There were some stocks out there that really didn't look all that good today. CPRX was the number one on the scary decliners list. This was down 29%. 18 million shares traded. So that's a lot of shares, but I'm interested to see if this can bounce tomorrow. Maybe they have something in the works here. Why this pulled back so much, I don't know, but it was on a pretty nice uptrend except for this one down day, so maybe something's coming. AMV is looking bad. It's down 25%. The daily chart looks pretty horrific, and you start zooming into the smaller time frames and it looks pretty bad as well. Playboy, we all know Playboy, so this doesn't really look all that great. I guess this is the first red day after a string of like 6 green days, so it doesn't look good for Playboy. It was on higher than average volume too, 3.7 relative volume. Okay, so the relative volume is just the volume over the average volume, if you're wondering what that is. So that's it for the scary stocks, and that's it for this stock recap show. If you are looking to accelerate your trade knowledge and profits, I know it can be incredibly painful and frustrating, especially if you're a beginner or just don't have the right mentor. But there is an easier way. You can schedule a call at fridaytraders.com, and an expert member of our team will be happy to assist you on your trade journey and becoming a world-class trader as well. Okay? So happy trading. I'll see you in the next episode. See you then.